So up to now, we saw how we can create our relationships in Laravel. Now let's see how we can select a column with a relationship. For example, let's close this, and in the product, comment this one out. Okay. Now if I refresh the page, let's go to the browser, and if I refresh the page, it will select all the columns from the brand, category, creator, and also from the tags. So if we want to select a specific column from each relationship, we can do that also in Laravel. So let's go to our products controller. In here, for example, in the brand, I just want to see the ID and the name of the brand. I don't want to see other columns. So I don't want to see the updated ad, deleted ad, created an image. I just want to see the name of the brand. So let's see how we can do that. So for that, for in the brand, you can, after you write the relationship name, you can pass a colon. Then after this colon, you can specify which columns you want. So for example, I want the ID column and the name column. So now if I go and refresh the page for my brand, I can only get the ID and the name. I can do exactly same for all of them. So ID and name. Now if I go and refresh for the category, I again got the ID and name. So to get a specific column of a relationship, you will just add a colon. After that colon, you will pass the column names.